In the last video, we left off at Silent Hill, which is number 5. Like I said, if this is your first time here, all my trails that I cut are reds, but I do a number system sort of like out west, so it's easier to understand how tough it is from 1 to 14. That's a 5, Silent Hill is. This is shark fin. Shark fin is, I'd say, on the same par, like 4 or 5. You don't need rear steer. You need a little bit of horsepower to get around the shark fin. You can't really see the shark fin from this angle, but there is a rock that looks like a shark fin, and you kind of have to go around it. The intimidated factor is once you get up here on the spine, you have to like traverse it and drop off of it, but you can definitely get up it without rear steer. The entrance is a little tricky. There's big boulders, diff grabbers. Most drag axle guys go around that section, but this is a short trail that leads into Big Mine Run.
Yeah, buddy. That was a beat down.
This here is Big Mine Run. I'd say this is around a 12 trail. It's really wet and loose. Slowly it's getting worked in. The only guys to ever do it were in JHF, Jesse Haynes Moon Buggies. Nobody's ever made it up with just a regular trail car yet. Here you can see I'm hitting the struggle bus. Just really wet and slippery. The day that we hit it with the moon buggies, it was dry for a long time, but we just have to get in there and turn stuff up and get stuff settled and get all the looseness broken down in order to run it. The problem is it's only a small group of guys that will actually run this type of stuff. So Steve is a madman. He's trying it in a drag axle. We ended up having to winch, and it was a nightmare. There was a bunch of bees too, so we turned around. We didn't finish the trail. We didn't feel like getting eaten alive by bees. But like I said, this is on the tougher side. It's definitely not an easy trail by any means, and hopefully one day I'll be able to drive it. If you hear that in the background, that is the mine tour across the valley, the steam whistle. I didn't get a video of me going up this, but I had to bump it at the very end, but I slow crawled most of it. We are on Graffiti Rocks, or I don't know what we're going to call it yet, but it's a new trail. We ran it 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, something like that. Yeah. Whoa, he just broke that rock. I thought you were super. Go higher. Back up and get on that rock. Straighten out, straighten out, straighten out. You're gonna fall in a hole and dip out. Straight, yep. Good. Go down, then back up. Yeah. One of the kids dropped a water bottle down here. When you get down here, Tim, go up over that rock next to the left of the tree limb. Yep, hard driver. Yep, up over that slab rock. Back up one more time. Steer downhill. What? I don't know.
Too ready to drop there, it ain't gonna work.
Give it a little bit, just go a little bit more drive passenger. Yep. Back up driver. What's over there, Steve?
I steered uphill with the rear.
You're right on a rock, though. Steer my way with the rear just a little bit. That's good. Drive that.
unstable with your speed.
Suck down the front a little bit if you feel unstable. Keep going. Keep going. Good. Rear uphill a little bit. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Right there. Slow crawl that. Steer that way.
Where am I going? Huh?
You're fine.
Down through there.
Yeah.
What did I come up here for then?
Because it looks cooler on
I was
film.
going to make that turn.
Yeah, you will.
This is going to go up on the rock and it's going to roll in.
He shouldn't have stopped.
Well, he was locked in on that too at one
Yeah.
point.
Yeah, that's when I told him just drive it. He wouldn't drive it. And now he's kind of fucked. Is that everything you got in the rear?
No,
Don't back up. Don't back up. Go forward. Rear uphill. There you go. Yep, drive it. Drive it. You're good. I believe in you. Drive it. You're going to catch the rear. Trust me. Nice and slow. Yeah, you're caught now. Front diggy diggy. Your rear's locked. You ain't going to go nowhere. Yep, keep digging. Keep digging. Keep digging a little bit more. Four-wheel drive. Yep, hold it right there. Aw. Yep, drive it. Drive it. Keep everything the way it is and drive it. Yeah, I like that. Do more of that. Yep. No, don't turn it. Dig again. Dig the rear. Dig the front down. Your rear is locked in. Yep, you're good. Dig. 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 Yeah. Yeah, bud.
There you go.
If you remember one of the last videos of this new trail, Steve had a winch there. I finally got a video of me going through it. You can't tell from the video, but the part that I'm speeding up, that's because that's a hill and you kind of have to like sidewalk it, and behind you is like probably 100 feet down into a stripping pit, and you definitely don't want to go down there. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the trail.